As you can probably tell by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing the Dyson Airwrap. I'm so excited. I've been dreaming about the Dyson Airwrap since like it first released, and I wanted it like on my wish list for 2 years, and I finally got it. It came in the mail and I'm so excited. So let's open it. How do you open this? That's heavy. Okay, now I think this is the official box for the Dyson Airwrap. And then it comes with this little box, which is weird because I watched a lot of unboxing videos and they only came with one box. So I'm very confused as to what this is. Here is the Dyson Airwrap box. It's this really kind of glossy black. It feels super nice. You feel it?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2,
1.
So it comes with this mat that is supposed to, like, you just put it on the table and you put your Airwrap on top of it. Yeah, it's like a heat mat.
Yeah.
And then it comes with like a little instruction thing. So in this one, it's the hair dryer attachment, which the purple is so pretty. Like, I love the purple. See? It's a very pretty purple. And then this is the Airwrap itself. Is very well packaged. It's a good weight. It's really light. And you've got all the controls. It's a pretty long cord, which is good. And what's this? Oh yeah, this is the cleaning thing, so it helps like clean the Dyson. But the inside of the box is really cool. It's kind of like lined on the inside, and it's got like these compartments. So this one goes right here down in the front, and then you can just stick this here and put the cord underneath. It's very light. It's a lot lighter than my normal hair dryer. Now let's open up this. I think the reason why they put the attachments in a different box is because I ordered the longer hair version, so it's like a custom one kind of. So it comes with different attachments than the regular one. Because I have very long and very thick hair, I waited for the long hair version to come back in stock forever, and because the pandemic wasn't, it finally came back in stock, and I picked it up immediately because I didn't want it to go out of stock. Okay, now here are the rest of the attachments. So first we have the firm smoothing brush. I don't really see myself using this one very often just because I already have straight hair, but I think my mom would use it a lot. And it's kind of like they kind of move, which is interesting. And then this is the soft smoothing brush. So the bristles on this are like bendy, kind of like my hairbrush, and this one also kind of moves, and I think it's really cute. I love the black and the purple. And then this is the blowout brush. So it's got like the little things on it, and it's round, obviously. Duh. And then these are the two barrels. So it comes with, I think this is 1.6 inches. These are really long. I'm very glad. So this is the 1.6. It's the 1.2, I think. So ignore the messy room in the back, but I'm here. I'm in my room with my mirror, and I just plugged it in. And so I'm gonna put the drying attachment on, and my hair, I just got out of the shower, so it's been towel dried just a little. But I'm gonna stick it on, and I'm gonna try to get it about 90% dry. Look how gorgeous the color is. That was really cool. That was 4 minutes exactly. Okay, so now I think that we are done with blow drying. As you can see, my hair is very thick now, which is so fun. Love that for me. I'm gonna go in with the Sunbound Heat Protectant just on my hair, spritzing that. Let's just give it a go. So I'm gonna use about an inch long section. This is pretty long. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Isn't as curly, but again, I've heard that this product is a big learning curve and it's not as easy as it looks. Okay, so I just finished curling my hair. It did kind of take a while just because I am so new to this tool, but this is just kind of what the back looks like. I have not brushed it out yet, so when I brush it out, do my makeup and stuff, you guys will see what a finished product looks like and kind of hear what my thoughts are as a first impression. So this is the finished look after I put on some mascara and did my skincare. I'd say it looks pretty good. I really like it. This side turned out a little bit more better because I started learning how to use the tool, but I think it looks great. I'm obsessed with it. Alright guys, so this is a little update on Dyson. This is just kind of the hair like day 2 after like a whole day of working and me obviously sleeping on like my side. I think it looks amazing. There is 100% a learning curve, which I think I'm slowly starting to learn, and I think as I start using the tool more often, I'm going to be able to like learn how to use the tool itself. But overall, my first impressions of it are really awesome. I think it dried my hair in such a quick time, so even if I'm not using the Airwrap, if I'm just drying my hair, it's going to be amazing. So as a hair dryer, it's amazing. The Airwrap I think is comparable to my curling iron, I'd say, because my curls do tend to look like this by day 2. My waves do fall out no matter what. I do wish that they had even longer barrels because I feel like most of my curls are like concentrated near the bottom instead of the top, but I feel like that is just a me issue because I have really long hair and I feel like not very many people have like super long hair like me. I think some mistakes that I made this time was just the back was still wet, so I think next time I would dry the roots of my back more. Because the Airwrap isn't reaching your roots at all, like for me especially, like it's not reaching over here. It kind of goes below, so I have to dry that more, or else it's not going to dry until I go to bed because my hair is just that thick. And then the curls, I would actually not dry the ends as much. I would just mainly focus on the roots because I feel like I was working on pretty dried hair when I was like actually using the wrap. I feel like, again, it's just really practice on using the tool because it's a new tool.